learning media. For this project, I really want to solve real-life problems. So I looked on the web and I found that in America, the first problems you guys have, it's a lack of education. So I want to provide some education. Then I found that Americans use their car a lot, maybe too much. So why don't use only one car and use a taxi? And then you know that nowadays we live in time of crisis and everybody is sad and depressed, so let's add some fun. So with my three ingredients here, I decided to create the learning taxi. Actually, the learning taxi is what you need in your life to have access to education and fun. This is what you can see right now in the street, right? But from now, you're going to see this, the learning taxi. It will provide you with education in your daily life. It will make you enjoy your daily taxi experience, and it will also provide you fun and entertainment. These are the three keywords for my project. It's education, of course, fast, because an average ride inside the taxi is approximately 10 minutes, and fun. There are many ways to have access to education fast and while having fun. You could read books, you could go on websites, you could use new technologies, play quizzes, etc. So with all these ideas I decided to come with one idea, that is the learning media. So how am I going to create the learning media, right? I am going to use an embedded software educational quiz inside the taxi. It will provide knowledge and fun on the go. The first main feature of this device will be that questions will be displayed on the screen, such as an iPad or Windows-based. The second feature is that questions will be GPS-based. So questions will be displayed function on which street the car is actually riding on. And finally, the quiz will be linked to the final prize. That means the more education you get and the higher is your score on the quiz, the less you will pay in the final price of your ride, right? What are the advantages of my idea? First, it will look better and more attractive than the regular taxi ride. And it will also be more attractive for the customer because the price of the ride will be actually cheaper because, as I said, the quiz result will be deducted from the final price. And my idea is extendable. Let's say you could upload your score on Facebook, so you can extend this idea to social networks. You can also add new features on the device, such as video chat, live video or chat between cars, or create a competition, like a live competition between cars, and you can change the questions as much as you want. So this is just a visualization. Sorry, I need to launch a video. This is just, okay, this is not working, but it's actually a video of a taxi. So imagine yourself, you are inside the taxi, you are playing on this educational quiz here. It's a schema of the whole device. And let's say you are Michigan Avenue. You will have a question linked to Michigan. Let's say about Henry Ford, about Detroit. It could be anything linked to Michigan. So the goals here, you will learn, entertain yourself, and save money. So how am I going to sell this idea? First, I think that we should find a partner, someone who has experience in the field. Then we should build and develop the process, of course, and we should sell it. I think that my business model is a win-win model. That means that first, when I am going to sell this idea to, let's say, the driver, by being a learning taxi, his activity will increase. So he will get more money, more income. So I will win by selling the money, but my client will also win because his activity will increase. All right, that's the end for my presentation. I hope you liked it, and next time you walk on the street and you see your taxi, just think that it could be different. Thank you. any questions you may have on the project. Do you have any questions?